Yo, what's up, boys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Cryoffear multiplayer in 2026. First, you click the link in the top of the description, which will lead you to the website called Hamachi. Once you're there, click download. Download it anywhere you want. Now that that's done downloading, open it. Click next. Click you've read it. Download it to wherever. Create a shortcut on desktop. Next. Install. Once it's done downloading, click finish and it'll launch. Now when you first open up Hamachi, it'll look just like this. Click that little power button right there. It's going to want you to make an account. If you don't already have an account, click sign up and you can make an account. I already have one. I'm just going to log in real quick. Now that you've made an account and this power button is on, you'll see create a new network and join an existing. You're going to need to create a new one right now. Make the network ID whatever you want. Make sure you remember it. Make the password whatever you want. Now, once you create that network, have your friend open up Hamachi.
Hey.
Once they open up Hamachi, they click on network at the top, click join an existing network, and then they type in the network ID you made and the password you made. Now, once they type that in and they click join, they'll pop up right on the network with the name of their computer. Boom. Once you've done that, minimize Hamachi. Now you just gotta open Cryoffear. Now that your game is open, go on down to host server. Put the map on whatever map you want, campaign part 3. Then you go to game, put however many players you want. We're just going to be doing 2 right now. Password, nothing. And then you can customize these settings however you want, except don't add a password, but customize the name, players, start time, auto respawn. Those you can do whatever you want to, but do not tab on any of these 2. Don't tab on LAN server and don't tab on possible server. Boom, click start. Once you're in the game, press the Estrella key to open up the console command menu, and then type in SV_LAN space 0 and press submit. Now, once you've typed that in, you need to open back up Hamachi, and right where it shows your, you see my cursor here because my IP is going to be blurred, but right where your IP is, you right click on that, and it'll pop up copy IPv4 or copy IPv6. Copy the IPv4 off of Hamachi. Once you've done that, send what you copied to your friend on Discord or wherever you can text them. All they need to do is once they're in the game at the main menu, they just open up the console command menu the same way we did, except they type in connect space and then paste the IP address you just sent them, and that's it, and it'll let them join. And look at that, there she is. Oh, instantly getting mauled. Kill it, kill it. Alright, and that's all y'all boys need to know. That's the perfect tutorial. You can do it with up to 4 people, just like back in the day. Everyone was confused, thinking you couldn't do this anymore. Boom, I just showed you exactly how to do it. And then just enjoy Cryoffear in all its glory. God, why is it black and white in this level? Murder him, murder him! Oh yeah, we definitely had it on very hard that last time. This is, oh, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not dead, I'm not dead! I'm gonna die! I need to shoot him! Shoot him! Oh, are you dead? Oh, you're dead. I don't got any ammo. Alright, I'll see you boys later.